Welcome to your channel Compu Respuestas in English. Today I'm gonna teach you how to download and install Google Chrome. Free. Legally, I will teach you step by step. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It's quite important for us. Just go ahead. So the first thing that we need to do is go to the Edge or Internet Explorer. Just click in there. So that one is gonna display any website. So on the address search, we are gonna type www.google.com.au or US, depends on where you are. Just click in there. Okay, so on the Google search, we are gonna write down download Google Chrome. Okay, and press enter. So we are gonna go to the first option as I highlight in the red box. Just click in there. Now it's gonna display this page, so just click download Google Chrome. So as I told you before, that one works for Windows 10, Windows 8.1, Windows 8 and Windows 7. Just click in there, download. So it's gonna show a little Windows underneath that said run. Just click run. So it's gonna pop up a little Windows that said if we want that Google Chrome makes some changes on our computer, just click yes. So the installation is gonna start right now. So that one is not gonna take longer. So just wait. So you can close this Windows if you want. So now the download is complete. So now it's the installation. So this process is very quick. And for us, we reckon it's the best internet browser so far on the market. So as you see, we already have our Google Chrome. So we are gonna open that one, just double click, and here we are. So we already have Google Chrome installed in our computer. So thank you for watching our videos. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and see you in the next one.